Most people just go to the N8N cloud and buy the starter plan, which is not only expensive but also comes with a lot of limitation. But only few actually know this. You can self-host N8N for just $6 per month with full data control and literally no limits on your workflows. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to set it up step by step in just a few clicks. Even if you are a complete beginner, you will be able to follow along and have your own N8N server running in minutes. Alright, let's get started.
To self-host N8N, first we have to purchase a VPS server. That means a virtual private server. For that, we can use Hostinger. Just go to this link, hostinger.com/RajivDas. I am a Hostinger customer for the last 2 years, and the server performance and their customer support is top-notch. And right now, the Cyber Week sale is going on, so you can get a huge discount if you purchase before December 14th. Actually, this is not just a VPS server, this is a dedicated server for N8N itself. We don't have to go to the terminal and play with commands to install. We can literally do that in just one click. Here, we have 4 different plans available, which come with different resource limits, like virtual CPU, RAM, disk space, and bandwidth. If you don't know these kinds of technical things, don't worry. I suggest you just go with this KVM2 plan, which comes with 2 virtual CPUs, 8GB RAM, and 100GB NVMe disk space. This will be suitable for a beginner or intermediate user who has like 10 to 50 workflows. And the best part is that at any point, if your resource usage goes high, that means if usage hits the server limit, you can upgrade to a higher plan hassle-free without building from scratch. That's a very good feature. Okay, now let me show you how to purchase and set up our N8N account. Just click on Choose Plan. This will redirect us to the checkout page. First, choose the server validity period. If you are thinking for the long term, you can choose the 1-year or 2-year plan, which gives you more discounts. Also, you will get a free domain for 1 year. This plan comes with a free weekly backup, which you can use to restore if anything goes wrong. And if you need daily backup, you can just choose this by paying $6 per month extra. Next, we have to choose the server location. Always choose the location closest to your region, which makes your workflow execution much faster. Next comes the important step. As I mentioned before, we can install by just selecting the N8N application from here. We have 3 different options available. The first one is just like N8N Basic, where we can install and build workflows from scratch. The second one is N8N with Queue mode. This will be suitable if you are running an agency or if you have too many workflows and too many concurrent executions at the same time. And the third one is N8N with 100 workflows. Once you install this one, there will be 100 popular community workflows available on your dashboard. We can just connect our credentials and run instantly. As of now, I am just choosing this basic one. And on the top, we can see the subtotal amount. I have 2 special coupon codes available for you. If you are choosing the 12-month plan, you can use this coupon code RajivDas to get a 10% instant discount. And if you are choosing the 24-month plan, you can get a 15% instant discount by entering this coupon code RajivDas15. So while you are checking out, make sure to use these. Okay, now let me complete the payment and I will show you the next steps. It's done. First, we have to set a root password, which we can use to log into our VPS server. Click Next, and Hostinger provides a free malware scanner, which is really helpful to keep our server secure. So always enable this and click on Finish Setup. This will take about 5 minutes to set up our VPS and install N8N. So let's wait. It's done, and N8N has been installed on our VPS server. You can go to your N8N account by just clicking on this Manage App button right now. But before that, let me show you a quick overview of our VPS server dashboard. This is hPanel, where we can see our server details, server usage, and manage each and every component of our VPS server. Right now, the server usage isn't showing here because we just installed it, and this will take around 30 minutes. Also, you will see the documentation for how to update N8N and how to connect a domain, and I'll show you that in the next part as well. Okay, now let's go to our N8N account. Just click on Manage App. This will open the N8N dashboard. First, we have to set up the admin account. Just enter your email address, first name, last name, and a password and click Next. Answer these questions if interested, then hit Get Started. Now you can activate all the paid features like advanced debugging and more. Just enter your email address and click on Send me a license key. Now you will get a license key in your email like this. Just copy that and now click on Usage and Plan. Then tap on Enter Activation Key. Just paste it and click Activate, and it's done. You are good to go. You can start building your automation workflows.
Alright, now you have learned how to install N8N. Next, let's check how we can update it. N8N is not just a static website. The team releases almost one update in every week, which comes with security patches, bug fixes, new node releases, and more. So updating N8N to the latest version is always crucial to keep this system running smoothly.
Once N8N releases a new version, we can see it on the dashboard. Here we can see one version behind. That means we have to update it. And just above it, it lists the changes they made. To update N8N, just go to your H panel. And on the top, there's a documentation link. How to update N8N. Just open that and follow the steps. It's too easy. The first step is to open the browser terminal. For that, just go back to the H panel and click on Terminal here. This will open a window where we can give commands to our server. This might look a little bit scary, but it's simple. Just follow the documentation. That's it. The next step is to download the latest version of N8N. Just copy this command, go to your terminal, and paste it. Here the Ctrl+V shortcut is not working, so we have to right-click and paste. Once done, click Enter on your keyboard. It's done. I downloaded the latest version. The next step is to stop and remove the currently running containers. Right now, when we go to the H panel and the Docker Manager section, you will be able to see two containers running. So first, we have to stop and remove these. Just copy this command, go to the terminal, paste it, and hit Enter. It's done. And now once you refresh the page, you will be able to see all the containers have been removed. Now, if you are doubting something like, if we follow this step, will our workflows and credentials be lost? The answer is no. All your workflows, connected accounts, everything will be the same as before. We are just safely updating the version to the latest. Now just copy the next and final command, which is to start N8N with the updated version. Go to the terminal, paste it, and hit Enter, and it's done. Now once we refresh the page, you will be able to see all the containers started running again. Let's go to the N8N dashboard. Right now it shows one version behind. Just refresh the page, and here we go. It's updated. We can see 0 versions behind. That means it's now up to date. Now my server usage statistics are live. Here we can see the CPU, memory, disk usage, and all. And one more interesting thing I found is this AI Cody assistant. This is not just like a chatbot. This is literally a personalized assistant for us, where we can ask any kind of query regarding our VPS, or even ask it to check our usage, our backups, and all. Okay, right now, our N8N dashboard link is looking like this, n8n.arandomthing.cloud. But if you want to make it more professional, like n8n.yourdomain.com, you can just follow these steps. This is optional, not compulsory. I want to make it n8n.rajivdas.com. For that, go to H panel, and on top, there is a documentation, changing the domain for N8N. So the first step is to point the VPS IP to our subdomain as an A record. For that, just copy the VPS IP from the H panel and go to your domain manager and open the DNS management section. Here we have to add an A record. In this name column, let's add N8N, and in the points to column, just paste the VPS IP address. Set the TTL and click on Add Record. This will take around 5 to 10 minutes to update. In the meantime, let's complete the rest of the process. Okay, the next step is to go to the browser terminal like before. Just go to H panel and click Terminal. This will open a new terminal window. Let's check the next step. This is to edit the environment configuration file. So just copy this command, paste it into the terminal, and click Enter. This will open the .env file, and here we just have to edit the domain name. So just use the arrow keys on your keyboard and change the domain. Let me add rajivdas.com. It's done. And to save the changes, just click Ctrl+O, then click Enter. Done. Now to exit, just click Ctrl+X. The next and final step is to restart the N8N service to apply the changes. So just copy these two lines, go to the terminal, paste them and click enter. It's done. Now let's open our new domain, n8n.rajivdas.com, and here we go. It is updated and we can just log in to the account by entering the email ID and password. Just keep in mind that once we set up the custom domain, the old default link won't be working anymore.
So that's it. I will provide the Hostinger link and the coupon code details in the video description, so make sure to check it out. If you have any doubts, feel free to let me know in the comments. I will be uploading more AI and automation videos in the upcoming days, so make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Thank you.